Okay, set up muna tayo ng video para sigurado. Okay. Okay, welcome po tayo for the second game for tonight between the Hub, clad in pink and violet combination, and playing white po is ang Extreme Bowlers. Yan, Extreme Bowlers po. And the Hub, second game po tayo yun. Anak ng patis, ano to? Ay, focus. Okay. Okay, first, second game for tonight now is the Hub playing in dark or pink and violet combination versus ang Team Extreme Bowlers. Ito na po yan, the Hub versus Extreme Bowlers po. This game is brought to you by the following. Of course, this is part of a Team SBB Pilipinas for maintaining the league integrity of the league and in orderly matter, and also PSBK Basketball League. And of course, ito man Trade the Needles and Team LBC. And of course, ito po ang third season Aviation Friendly League dubbed as a Flying League. You're watching right now the game between the Hub versus Extreme Bowlers. And after this po is CAS versus Mechanicos. Ayan. CAS versus Mechanicos po yung after po yan. Pero nag muna tayo ng the Hub and Extreme Bowlers. Okay, first quarter. We're just waiting for the first quarter to be on the way. Hub and Extreme Bowlers. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to be started. Ingat pre. Next game. Okay, second game. Starting. Hub and Extreme Bowlers. Hub playing in dark, Extreme Bowlers white. Okay, first quarter po yan po si Sing, si Saltiga, and also si Siblin, nandiyan sa kabila namin si Nichols, si number 11, si Torona, si Dimac at si Perido. Ang kanilang ang ilang skipper, nandiyan din pala. Second quarter, second game for the game now starting. Lahat po ng hikaw, pakitanggalan po. Quintas, pakitanggalan po. Pakibigyan mo siya para masangla ko. Also, takin po tayo para mas maganda po yung tignan. Maraming salamat po. Okay, Terona and So for the jump. Second quarter about to start. Okay, it's game. Jump ball. And won by Siblini. Siblini, binababa ng Siblini yung ball now to Salting. Labrado rather. Labrado, stripped away. Ito na si number 11. Kay Tirona, power move. Tirona, good ball. One more time. And out of bounds. Last touch by Sing ang bola. Mr. Singh ang huling may hawak. Junicio for 3. No good. Rebound battle by Dimac. Dimac 1. Perido for 3. Bang! 3 points Perido. Perido 3 points. Okay, may tampo ng bolang yon si Mr. Siblini. Chudilax, nakaduti si Chudilax ngayon. Siblini. Intercepted and fouled. Siblini called for the foul. 8-0 3-point score po natin at 8 minutes 54. Sino pa nanonood? Sino po yan? Si Mr. Wade Cream. Good evening po kayo, sir. Kumusta po kayo? Tirona. Perido. May tahan na bola. Perido. Tirona. No good. Foul. Tirona shooting for 2. Tirona shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound. D-Mac. 2 points. Nice rebound by Mr. D-Mac. D-Mac. 2 points. And now Labrado. Siblini. So, intercepted. Still completed. And to Nichols. Nice one to Pirido. 2 points again. Nice passing lay by these two people, ha? Okay, balik muli po tayo ngayon. Siblini, 0-7 ang score po natin. 8 minutes remaining. Siblini, driving strong. Ngayon ang mapasahan. Thinking 3. Nope, it's so. Intercepted again. And still completed almost. Balik muli pa rin po sa extreme bowlers ang bola. Idol, extreme pre. Ingin sa pag-uwi. Idol, ingin sa pag-uwi pre, ha? Ingin sa pag-uwi. Okay, ito na. Siblini. Nice D by number 11. Junicio. Nakakuha ng pick. Labrado. Pops up. Bang! 2 points, Labrado. 2 points. And now to Nichols. Tuliao driving strong. Number 4. Hop. Good ball. And now Pirido again. Pirido almost had the ball. Pero may kick ball kay Labrado. 14-second shot clock again. Resetted. And now to D-Mac. D-Mac for 3. No good. So, naka-rebound si Mr. So. And now to Siblini. And to number 33. Hop. They sing to Siblini again. Siblini driving strong. Pops up. Nice one. No foul. Bola po yun. And hope shot by So. 2 points by So. 2 points. And now to D-Mac. D-Mac Ulangan. D-Mac driving kick out. Pero tumapak na sa linya. Balik muli po sa team ng Extreme Bowlers. Muli po tayong yon. Ito kay Mr. Siblini. 33. Sing. May cutting discrimination between Labrado and Sing. Siblini driving strong. Passing. Foul called. Nice foul. Number 4 called for a foul. Number 4. Sino number 4? Ano mo number 4? Nichols, number 4, fouled. So, number 25. So again. So, Labrado, wala. So, 2 points by So. 2 points. Pirido. Nice D. And now Junicio binabantayan. Cut di mo kulangan. Wala, malakas. And now to Sing, may tangan ng bola. Sing, binabamalis yung bola. Siblini. Nice, Labrado. Mr. Sing, malakas ang pasa. Nakuha ni Tulio ang bola. Nakuha ni Tirona ang bola. Tirona to Pirido. Pirido driving strong. 2 points, Pirido. 2 points. Siblini. 4 minutes 50 remaining. Siblini driving strong. Now to Labrado. Cut kay Sing. Patos ang bola. Change 5 po tayo. Sa kabila, si So lang ang papalitan para kay number 34. Dito naman, papasok si Mendoza. Si Tadifa and si number 18. Ang mararetain lang sino? Siyempre si D-Mac tsaka si Pirido. Okay, balik muli po tayo, Pirido. To number 18, Tadifa. Pirido again. Pirido may tangan ng bola. Pirido, binababa ang bola. To Tadifa. Tadifa, end up, Dimac. Mendoza, pops up. 2 points, Mendoza. Mendoza, 2 points. Nice hustle by Mr. Dwight. Edna to Siblini. Siblini. Labrado. And one play pa binigay kay Labrado. Given the continuation, Labrado shooting for the bonus free throw. Labrado, bonus free throw po tayo. Labrado, bonus free throw. Pops up. Almost had it, pero hindi po. Kick pass kay Pirido. Ang bola galing kay Dimac. Tadifa. Mendoza, Pirido. Again, Dimac driving strong. And si Dwight, foul called on number 94. 94 called full of foul. Pushing foul called. Dwight shooting for 2. One more time. Second shot, jumper ready para kay Dwight. Dwight, second free throw, jumper's ready. The score's 10-12. Second free throw, pops up. It's in. 10-13 ang score. Labrado to Mr. Siblini. Siblini, may tahan ng bola. Siblini. Aricila is watching also. No good. Labrado naka-rebound. Si Labrado. Labrado naka-rebound. Siblini for 3. No good again. And now Mr. Dimac. Dimac against Singh. Pinasa muna kay Dwight ang bola. Dwight, pinasahan. And now, Dwight to Pirido. Pirido may tahan ng bola. To Dimac again. Dimac. Shake and pick. Malakas ang layup niya. Again to Labrado. No good. Nandun si number 9. Wala pa rin. Labrado. Wala na. Wala pa rin. Labrado shooting for 2. Sino nanonood po? Si Eric Grama is watching. Tsaka si Aricila nanonood din po. Okay, Labrado. First shot. Malakas. Tsaka may killing sa kanan. May killing sa kaliwa. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 2 minutes 43 remaining. 2 minutes 43 remaining. Labrado pops up. Kapos. Okay, ito po tayo yung Mr. Pirido. 2 minutes 39 remaining. Pirido, palpal. Nice block. Again now, Sirtol. Labrado! Oy! Naku po, sayang. Naunang apak si Yapak. Balik sa bambola. Di makulangan. Dimakulangan. Shake and pick. Di makulangan sa Labrado. Nakuha ni Labrado ang bola. Nice steal. Labrado again. 2 points Labrado. 2 points Labrado. 12-13 na score. Lamang pa rin po ang hub ng isa. The hub. Dwight. Nice pass. Sana kay sa isang tao. Fernando si Gab to intercept the pass. Okay, Tadifa for din. Tadifa tatanggap. Oh, Tadifa tumanggap nga. Pirido, Tadifa, no good. Rebound, pero may foul. Trip. Di makulangan, shooting for 2. 12-13 ang score at a minute and 21 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Di makulangan, pops up. It's good. Pala, ba't na yan po? Ito pala po, di ba? Second throw ni Di makulangan, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Okay, now si Mr. Siblini may tangan ng bola. Siblini. Nice! Ouch! Good ball, good ball, good ball, good ball. Pops up, no good. Siblini. Siblini! 2 points, Siblini. Timeout, timeout, injury timeout. Sab muna po, sab muna. Tadipa out. Number 11 in. Okay, Mendoza for inbound. Mendoza for the inbound. Perido. Okay, now, Di makulangan. Di makulangan. Perido. 14 all. Perido, no good. Nice rebound by number 24 to Labrado and Labrado. Labrado again, Labrado, Labrado. Labrado, ano yan? Shake. Parang parang Harlem ang galaw na yun Labrado to Sing. Siblini to from Sing. Siblini. Hustle play. Nando si Mendoza. Mendoza nagmamadali. And balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Okay, now to Mr. 25 to Siblini. Sing for 3. No good. Rebound. Top to Mr. Di makulangan. 5 seconds remaining. Di makulangan. Lost the ball. And wala na. First quarter has ended. Coming up next is the second quarter action. This is your Aviation Friendly Dabas of Flying League. You're watching not the game between the Hub versus Extreme Bowlers. And this is what SBP Pilipinas and PSB Basketball League. And of course, our main sponsors, Team LBC Hari ng Padala and Thread the Needles. Ito po ang third season, Aviation Friendly Dabas of Flying League. You're watching right now Hub and Extreme Bowlers. And coming up next is Mechanicals versus CAS. Okay, second quarter start. 14 all po tayo. Hub ball. Bola po ng Hub, Junicio. Sa orange po ang reference point sa basketball. Sa orange lang po. And again, Tuliao, may tangan ng bola. Pahinga muna yung dalawa. And na Mendoza. Pops up for 2. 2 points, Mendoza. Mendoza, 2 points. 9 minutes 50 remaining. 14-16 na score. Siblini. Labrado. Labrado. Nice fake by Labrado. Si Labrado po ang nagbubuhat muna yung pansamantalaan sa Extreme Bowlers. Now to Tuliao. Tuliao. No good. Tapos nando si Sing. Kick pass kay Labrado. Labrado again. Back-to-back field goals by Labrado. And a timeout again called by the Hub. Walang malamig na tubig, walang yelo. Okay, 9:15 po. Ang score natin is 18-16 already. po ang score po natin. 9:15 remaining. Lamang na po ang Extreme Bowlers ng dalawa. Inbound ng The Hub. Hub for the inbound. Nichols. Nichols again. And now to Mr. Mendoza. No good. Up. Nagmamadre. And now that's number 5 to number 4. Siblini. Siblini may tanang bola. Siblini. Well guarded. And to Sing. No good. Rebound battle won by Siblini. Siblini again driving strong. Siblini. Nice floater shot but no good. Didn't go the bounce. And now to Koy Nichols. Nichols to Liao. Tirona! Traveling kay Tirona muna. Traveling violation called on Tirona. Again, balik po sa extreme ball. Isang ball. Lamang po sila ng dalawa. 18-16 ang score po. Sing. Siblini. Driving strong. Siblini. No good. Rebound battle won by Tirona. Now to Nichols. Nichols pops up. Ayaw muna ni Dwight. Ayaw ni Dwight. Nawalang bola. And now to Siblini. Siblini. Out of... Di pa doon pumasok, sabi ni Siblini. 7:44 remaining. The score is 18-16 still. Siblini shooting for 2. First shot ni Siblini. Wala. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Wala pareho. Again now to Mr. Nichols. Sambola. Nichols. Junicio. Mainit sa loob. Labas mo ka muna, sabi. Tuliao. Foul sa down. Down. Down pa lang, down. 33. Sing. Call for the foul. Nichols. For 3. No good. Nice rebound by number 11. 11. Nichols. Again for 3. No good still. The score is 18-16. 6 minutes 50 remaining. Labrado. Malakas. Nichols. Tirona, 2 points, Tirona. 2 points. Okay, that's Mr. Siblini. Tabla po tayo sa 18. Traveling violation called on number 5. Number 5 tawag ng traveling po, sabi ng referee. Okay, Tuliao. Tirona, 2 points again. Good bounce by Tirona. Lamang muli po ng dalawa ang The Hub, 18-20 at 5 minutes 47 remaining. Siblini. Nakuha ni Mendoza bola. Mendoza, 2 points. Mendoza, 2 points. And si Siblini may tanang bola. Siblini. Shake and fake. Siblini. Nice shot. Nice rebound. Pero may tapak na sa linya. Same ball called on. Same ball tayo. Si number 18 tumapak na sa linya kasi si Dwight. Siblini. Nakawala. Siblini. No good. Number 5. Nawala ang bola. Number 11. Junicio. Mendoza pops up. No good. Tirona, tap away by number 94. Nakuha naman ni Tulyao ang bola. Tulyao, Nichols Tulyao to number 11 for 3. No good. Number 14 again, number 9. Labrado, nagmamadali si Labrado, turn around. No good. Number 5, Palpal. Counter steal by Siblini, no good steal. And now number 14, Labrado, malakas. Junicio. And Mr. Tirona. 2 points na yan. And 4 minutes remaining. Substitution. Okay, second lineup po. Pakipasok lang po. Second lineup po. 4 minutes remaining. Okay, number 25 si Siblini, si So, si 33 at si number 5. Kabila naman, siyempre si Dimac, papasok. Dimac Ulangan, Perido, number 11, si Tirona at si number 4. Okay, 25 for the inbound. Siblini, may tahan ng bola. Siblini. Sing for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Tapos. Okay, rebound na ni Dimac Ulangan. Nando si Tirona. Tirona na ko yung bola. Tirona. Junicio. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Number 5 naka-rebound to number 33. 33, binababa ang bola. Sing. So, pops up. Malakas. Nichols. Kay Perido. 2 points, Perido, 2 points, 2:57 remaining at 18:26 ang score. Lamang na 8 ang The Hub. Sing, trace crossing, lost the ball. Whose ball rep? Same ball, sabi ng referee. It's same ball. So, driving strong. Nice pass. May foul kay Dimac Ulangan. Who's ball rep? Dimac Ulangan called for a foul. Sing shooting for 2. First shot ni Sing. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala, pareho. And now Tirona to Dimac Ulangan ng bola. Dimac Ulangan, driving strong. Perido, thinking 3. Ayaw nyo muna. Binabantayan. Perido, sidestep move. 2 points, Perido. 2 minutes 16 remaining. 2 minutes 10 remaining. Siblini, may tahan ng bola. And now Sing to Siblini again. Siblini thinking 3. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound ni Nichols. Tulyao rebound now to Junicio. Driving strong. Wala. Tirona trailing job is good. Tirona driving strong. Ayun kay Perido. 2 points, Perido. Nice pass from Tirona. A minute and 35 remaining. Grabe. Sing. No good. Alright, one more time. Sing. Wala pa rin. Tirona. Ice yun. Maganda. Kapos nga lang. Sabi nga kapos. Oh, now, si Mr. Siblini. Siblini to number 5. 2 points, number 5. Number 5, 2 points. Intercepted by number 5. Number 5 again. From the free throw line. No good. And now to Mr. Di Makulangan. Shake and fake. Di Makulangan. No good. Rebound ni Siblini. Pero tap away by Perido. Balik pa rin po sa Extreme Bowlers ang bola. Extreme Bowlers ang bola. Again, si Mr. Siblini to Mr. Singh. Pa-comment na ba kung malinaw yung boses ko po? Maraming salamat po. Di Makulangan. Lost the ball. Balik pa rin po ang bola sa team Extreme Bowlers. 20-30 ang score po natin. Siblini, foul called. Down. Okay. Foul number 3. 25 Gamboa to Siblini. Singh for 3. No good. Rebound by Di Makulangan. Nagmamadali. Di Makulangan. 2 points Di Makulangan. Di-Mac 2 points. And that's it. Second quarter's finished. Coming up next is the third quarter. You're watching right now the team between the Hub and Extreme Bowlers. And after this po is a game between Cas and Mechanicos. Kaya kung saman kayo, pumunta na kayo rito. Maraming salamat po. Okay, Cas and Mechanicos po. Pero for the meantime, enjoy muna po tayo sa The Hub and Extreme Bowlers. And this game is brought to you by Team SBP and PSBQ. And also powered up by, of course, our main sponsors, Thread and Nielsen LBC. And this is your third season, Invasion Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Maraming salamat po, and balik po tayo. Halftime po tayo yun, The Hub and Extreme Bowlers. We'll be back. Dugo pa rin. Ilong kasi. Ilongan. Okay, change quarter po tayo. Third quarter start. Third quarter start. Extreme Bowlers ball. Siblini for the inbound. 14 shot lang. Siblini for the inbound. And now to number 24, Gabi. May tayo ng bola. Teka lang. Balik. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, Siblini again for the inbound. Okay, Gabi. So, Siblini. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Tirona. Tirona naka-rebound. D-Mac for 3. No good. Mendoza. Lost the ball. Labrado. Driving strong. No good. Gabi. Take 2. Di Macaulay for the foul. Gabby shooting for 2. Gabby shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Kapos. Okay, balik muna tayo sa bola natin. New Balance ba? Nike. Adipa nakabalik. Labrado completed the steal. Labrado. 2 points Labrado. 20-32. 22-32 po tayo yun. Off the 2 points si Labrado. Mendoza. And now to D-Mac. Nakuha ng pick. D-Mac shake and pick. Size move. Ha! Good ball. And Labrado again. Labrado. Labrado checking pace. And now, no good. Rebound. Up! Foul. Pushing foul called. Balik po sa hub ang bola. Mendoza. D-Mac. Dwight. Pops up. Kapos. And now, balik muli po tayo 26. That's so. Now, after this, si Mr. Ciblini. May tahan ng bola. Ciblini. Ciblini. Driving strong. No good. Take 2 lang. Take 2 for sure for Ciblini. At 8 minutes 1 remaining. 22-32 ang score po natin. Lamang ng 10 ang The Hub. First shot. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready. No good. Rebound. Again by Ciblini. Ciblini. May tahan na ba Ciblini? Now to hold. Labrado. So. Gabby. Gab. No good. Okay. Purple ball. Hub inbounding. Mendoza. Pops up. No good. And nakuha ni Mendoza ang bola. Nice interception. And foul called. Foul by Gabby. Gabby called for the foul. 7 minutes 25 remaining. D-Mac. Up. And Labrado. Foot race. Labrado. 2 points Labrado. May backpedal pa. Labrado 2 points. 7 minutes 5 remaining. Dwight. Bang! 3 points. Binawi kagad ni Mr. Dwight ang bola against Ciblini. Ciblini, nice guarded. So, malakas. Rebound buwan by Tirona. Ay! Ba't pinasa sa labas? Pambira, pinasa sa labas yung bola. Nagkakapi kasi. Okay, inbound again. Extreme bowlers. So. Pops up. Nope. It's Singh. Singh, short. D-Mac, nagmamadali. D-Mac, driving. Kick pass kay Tadifa. No good. Rebound by Tirona. Tirona. Pinasa mula sa labas. Mendoza. Oy! Nagbago ng isip. Labrado. Foul ba? No foul, no foul. Check lang. Labrado. Inbounding. Labrado inbounding. Okay, Labrado inbounding. So, asking for the ball. Gabi to Siblini. Siblini driving strong. No foul. Again, one more time. Siblini. Kay Gabi pala yun. No good. One more time. Sing. 2-point Sing. Mendoza, no good. And downfield, Mendoza had the ball. Tadif, fa for 2, no good. Rebound 1 almost by Dimac. And palit po tayo, 4 minutes po tayo. Palit player po tayo yun. Sino lalabas po? Okay, na, ayos na. Scott, ng gabi sa'yo, Scott. Shoutout sa'yo. Siblini. Pops up. No good. Eto na po tayo yun, si Mr. D11. Junicio, Perito. No good. Rebound by Tirona, pero dumalas ang bola kay Tirona. Okay, balik ulit tayo ngayon dito. Okay, Labrado, may tanga ng bola, 27-35. Alamang po ng 8 lang ang team Hub. So to Siblini, driving strong. 2 points, Siblini. 2 points po tayo yun. Junicio. Si Maverick Valdez is watching also. Shoutout sa'yo. Emerson sa'yo, share. And Perido, no good. Nice one. One more chance, Perido, binabantayan. Dimac to Perido, side step move kay Tirona. Nawala ang bola kay Tirona. Nando naman si Junicio, side step move. 29-35, lamang na po ng 6 ang Team Hub. 2 minutes 18 remaining. Siblini, susobi ng bola. Siblini driving strong. Ayun, nice interception by Nichols. Nagmamadali si Nichols. Perido, 2 points Perido. Timeout called by Extreme Ballers. You're watching right now the game between the Hub and Extreme Ballers. And after this po is, of course, Cas versus Mechanicos. Nasa na kayo mga boss? Pumunta na kayo dito. 4th quarter na. Maraming salamat po. Okay, 2 minutes 53 remaining of the 3rd quarter action. 29-37 na score po natin. Balik muli po sa Extreme Ballers ang bola. Grabe, lamig dito. Parang tayong nasa freezer. Okay, Siblini. Labrado, binababa ang bola ni Labrado, binababa ang bola. Ayan na, nakuha ng pick. Labrado, nakuha ni no, it's Sing. 2 points Sing. 2 points. Tuliao, Nichols, Perido, Dimac, bang! 3 points, di mo kailangan. 3 points, 31-40 muli pong score natin at 2 minutes 17 remaining of the 3rd quarter action. Ito po tayo Mr. Sing, Siblini, Labrado, power move, no good. Labrado naman, floater shot, 2 points, Labrado. Labrado, 2 points. And si Nichols binababa ang bola. Long 3. No good. Labrado, double teamed. Singh. Siblini. Singh. Nilabas mo ng bola, masyado mainit. Shot clock violation. 14-second shot clock violation. Balik muli po sa bola. Okay, Tuliao for the inbound. Perido. Tuliao. Poste, kay Terona. And one. Nope. Oh, teka lang. Down, called for the foul. Tinamaan sa ulo. So, called for the foul. Dimac. Dimokulangan. Nope. It's Tuliao for the inbound. Inbound po ni Tuliao. Junicio. Tuliao. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by Tirona. Tuliao cutting. Wala pa rin. Labrado. Hop, teka lang. Labrado, 2 shots awarded. Labrado, 2 shots awarded. Pops up. Pasok. Dating bat net. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound ni Terona. Perido. Nagmamalis Perido. Perido driving. Malakas ang pasa. 28 seconds remaining. Okay, si Mr. Siblini. Nice, difficult shot. So, no good. Tap out. Kinuha ni Junicio ang bola. 9 seconds remaining. Junicio, 6 seconds. Kick, pass, kick. No, it's good. Same ball. 2 seconds remaining. 2 seconds remaining. Two seconds to shoot. Tuliao. No good. Okay, that's it. Third quarter's finished. The score is 34-40. Lamang pa rin po ang dahab ng 6. Okay. Babalik muna po tayo. Salamat po. Pirido. Okay, Pirido, hindi po shoot. Rebound battle, won by still di Gabi. Gabi binababa ang bola. Skate Siblini, 34-14 score po natin ngayon. Siblini, foul called. Port na pare, port na. Foul! Kinapitan. Rinig na rinig. So, shooting for two. Pops up. It's in. Second throw jumpers ready. Second throw jumpers ready para Mr. So. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the Hub. Now to Mr. Pirido. Lamang na lang ni limang the Hub. Up si Daisy down. 94 called for the foul. Side throw. Tulyao for the inbound. Okay, ito po tayo. Mendoza sa ilalim. 2 points Mendoza. Mendoza 2 points. And now kay Mr. So. Mr. So. Number 33. Si Singh. 9 minutes remaining. Siblini. Siblini driving strong. Driving hard. No good. Number 6. So. Pops up. Set shot. No good. One more time para kay So. So driving strong. 2 points So. So 2 points. Pirido. Pirido. Pirido sidestepping, slicing, dicing, and popping. Mendoza 2 points. And now si Mr. Labrado. Labrado 37-44. Lamang pa rin po ng 7. Stripped away ang bola. Nice deep. And 3-on-2 situation. To Mendoza kapos. Rebound ni Singh ang bola. Singh, pataka-rebound si Singh. To Mr. Siblini. Siblini driving strong. Almost had the ball. Sayang, di na no. Almost had the ball. Siblini shooting for 2. It's in. Second throw jumpers ready. 5-point lead possible. Siblini second throw. It's Boden. Okay, 5-point lang po ang kalamangan na lang po ng Team The Hub. Hub, lamang na po ng 5. D-Mac. D-Mac, Pirido. Pirido driving. Dwight pops up. No good. Siblini naka-rebound. Siblini. Siblini naka-rebound si Siblini. Siblini. Siblini! Uy! Take 2. 2 shots for Siblini. Siblini 2 shots. Pops up. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Siblini. Pops up. No good. And tap out. Dwight. From D-Mac. Intercepted. Intercepted. Labrado. Binapati ni Mendoza. Labrado. Labrado, Mendoza, ayun kay So. So, binabantayan. So, no good. And good ball. And now si Tulyao. Nagmamit si Tulyao. Nichols. Pirido. No good. Tap now to Mendoza. No good still. Singh, nakakuha yung bola. 39-44. 6 minutes 50 remaining. Siblini. Slicing. Nope, it's tapped. and it's fouled. Perido called for the foul. Substitution. Dwight out. Tirona in. So for the inbound, Siblini pops up for 3. No good. And still, bola po ng biglang puti. Sing. Labrado. Labrado nagbabantay. Si Mendoza. Labrado. Palpal. Tirona naka-rebound. Eto na si Di Makulangan. Nagmamali. Di Makulangan. And one play made. D-Mac, 2 points. D-Mac, 2 points. Sing called for a foul. D-Mac shooting for the bonus free throw. Okay, timeout muna po ang Team Extreme Ballers again. 6 minutes 14 remaining. And coming up next is of course ang laban ng CAS and also ng Mechanicos. Ayan, yun sila. CAS and Mechanicos po, next game po yan. Bakbakan po yan. Lumilipad yata si Serrano. Di Makulangan shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 39-46. Lamang ng 7. Di Makulangan bonus free throw coming up. Di Makulangan. Wala. Mag-best friend niya. Siblini. Intercepted, almost double-teamed. And Gabi. Palpal. Rebound. Won by Tirona. Foul called. 5 minutes 52 remaining. Blocking foul. Same ball po tayo para sa The Hub. Wala pang penalty. Ang Team Extreme Ballers. Perido. Inbounding. Perido inbounding. Mendoza to Perido. Perido for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Sing. Si Sing. Kapus. Labrado. Floor to shot. No good. Foul. Take 2. Labrado, 2 shots given. 39-40 score po natin. 5 minutes 35 remaining. 4th quarter action. Labrado, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Labrado, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok pareho. 41-46, 5 na naman ang kalabangan ng The Hub. Tirona pops up. 2 points Tirona. Tirona 2 points. 5 minutes 19 remaining. Siblini. Binabantayan, double teamed. Nakalusot. Siblini. Palpal. Stepping on the line. Nice check by Tirona. And now The Hub. 4 on 3 on 3. Di Makulangan. 2 points di Makulangan. Di Makulangan 2 points. 4 minutes 51 remaining. Oy, good ball. Perido. Mendoza sa side. No good. Rebound by Mr. Perido. Perido again. Perido nakalusot. Perido 2 points Perido. 2 points, 4 minutes 26 remaining. So, nakatanggap ng bola. Siblini, Labrado. Labrado shooting again for 2. Timeout called by Extreme Bowlers. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Labrado shooting for 2. Labrado shooting for 2. 4 minutes 15 remaining. Pops up. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Labrado, second free throw, jumpers ready. It's in. 31, 42, 52. Lamang na naman ng 10 ang team. The Hub. The Hub looking to cement its place now in the top 4 po ng ligang ito. With a win. And now, di makulangan for 3. Bang! Di makulangan, 3 points. And to Sing. Sing. Siblini. Sing. Pops up for 3. No good. D-Mac naka-rebound. D-Mac naka-rebound po tayo. D-Mac. D-Mac na naman. Wala. Swapang. Siblini! Siblini! 2 points Siblini. 44-55. Lamang ng 11 ang Team Hub. 3 minutes 21 remaining. Mendoza. Tirona. Tirona. Ayun. Mendoza kapos. And to hop. Same ball. Same ball tayo, same ball. JP Boron is watching. Shoutout sa'yo. So, tumangkat ang bola. Siblini. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Nakuha ni. And there's a foul called by Siblini. Siblini called for the foul. Tuliao Nichols for the inbound. And now, si Misa Perido. 2 minutes 35 remaining. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by Labrado. Ayan naman si Labrado mamadali. Labrado! Malakas! Pink ball or hub ball. Bola po ng the Hub. 2 minutes 20 remaining. Lot stats ng white. Perido, naka-inbounding. Perido to Junicio. Tuliao. And nice one by Tirona. So, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Siblini. Labrado. 2 points Labrado. A minute and 53 remaining. D-Mac. Di makulangan. Pops up. 2 points. Di makulangan 2 points. A minute and 25 remaining. Siblini. Lost the ball. And same ball. Same ball. A minute and 19 remaining. 46-59. Siblini. Number 5. 2 points, number 5. Di mo kulangan. Kick pass. Nando si Labrado. Nagmamadali si Labrado ng Labrado. Labrado driving strong to So. No good. One more time. Number 5. Nope, it's So. No good pa rin. 52 remaining. Junicio. 45 seconds remaining. Junicio. Perido for 3. No good. 30 seconds remaining. Labrado, malakas. Number 5, wala pa rin. Isa pa. Okay, number 5, 2 points. 7 seconds. Pops up. Okay, that's it. Congratulations for winning ball game, Team Dahab. Okay, Dahab po tayo. Dahab. Dahab now looking to cement its place now in the top 4 po ng ligang ito. Final score 50-59. Nichols, paano na? Group photo. Okay, final score 50-49 po. Dahab winner, Dahab. O, sakto, may stakeholder dito ng Dahab. Stakeholder. Compress.
Alright, 1,
Okay.
2, 3. Sige po.
Thank you po. And okay, Dahab po winning 50-59. Kawin na lang. And sino pa POG? Thank you po, thank you. Sino pa POG? D-Mac ang pinili. Okay, si D-Mac po ang pinili. D-Mac, siya po ang POG po ngayon. O, D-Mac, 2 minutes po tayo, D-Mac. D-Mac, I believe so, nasa top 4 na po kayo, sir. Ano po ang lokang naisip po na papasok po kayo sa quarterfinals?
Basta magtiwala ka lang sa Diyos. Saka sa mga kampi mo.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Okay, ano pa po?
Wala na. Siguro, Tagalan, tsaka Sito.
Malamang, sino makakalaban nyo malamang? Bilang number 4, kung number 4 kayo.
Wala akong idea eh.
Wala pang idea siya. Kasi, okay, good luck na po sa quarterfinals po. And also, okay, 1 minute, shoutout po, sir. Sige.
Shoutout kay Aster.
Aster! Ayan.
Kay Alex.
Ano ba? Sino pa?
Alex, bro.
Alex, sino pa?
Yun lang.
Yun lang, okay. Thank you. Yan po ang Team Dahab winning the ball game. And maraming salamat po. And coming up next po is a game between, of course, Mechanicals and Cas.